Welcome to this video on AI for project managers. This guide is your essential companion for thriving in the age of artificial intelligence, where we explore how human judgment and machine insight combine to deliver better project outcomes faster. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Career Guidance series.
In this video, we will cover the AI-ready project management mindset, the essential human skills that matter most, strategies for building AI-augmented teams, fostering a culture of trust, and the importance of lifelong learning. The pace of AI adoption is unprecedented. Organizations that integrate AI with skilled, human-centered project managers will lead the future of competitive execution. Understanding both the power and the limits of AI is key to being a valuable asset today. Chapter 1 focuses on the AI-ready mindset. It is about shifting your perspective from resistance to curiosity and moving from a focus on control to intelligent collaboration. The old model viewed AI as a threat, but the new mental model treats AI as a collaborator. By offloading repetitive tasks to AI, project managers are freed to focus on high-value areas like stakeholder relationships and adaptive strategy. AI excels at processing data and predicting risks, while human project managers excel at empathy, political navigation, and creative problem-solving. Success lies in using AI to handle the data while reserving human energy for wisdom and trust. Adopting a growth orientation means staying curious by experimenting with low-risk pilots, investing in your own AI literacy, embracing collaboration with technical teams, and getting comfortable making decisions amidst ambiguity. Chapter 2 explores uniquely human skills. In an automated world, the capabilities that no algorithm can replicate are those that every project manager must sharpen. Critical thinking is essential. Even with AI's ability to forecast, it cannot judge if a goal is correct. You must interrogate AI outputs, validate them against real-world context, and learn to ask precise, well-framed questions to unlock value. Ethical reasoning is a crucial responsibility. As AI plays a larger role in decisions, you must consider the human impact and fairness of these systems, building ethics reviews directly into your project governance.
Strategic foresight is about seeing around corners. By scanning your project environment for weak signals, using AI to model different futures, and then acting decisively, you can navigate complex project landscapes.
Emotional intelligence remains non-negotiable. Thriving project managers will be those who can cultivate self-awareness, demonstrate empathy regarding AI's impact on their teams, and use social influence to bring stakeholders along on the journey. Chapter 3 focuses on building AI-augmented project teams. It's about designing environments where human talent and machine intelligence reinforce each other to produce better outcomes. An agile augmented team is a purposeful integration. The role of the project manager here is to be an orchestrator, managing the interaction between human and machine intelligence to ensure alignment and accountability. Finally, designing roles involves auditing existing tasks, redesigning them for human-AI amplification, creating AI liaison roles to bridge the gap, and iterating based on continuous feedback as tools and teams evolve. Moving to leading project teams through AI change. Even high-performing teams can struggle with integration. Look for signs like tool avoidance or skepticism, and respond with empathy and co-creation.
Communication must be clear and structured. Define protocols for AI outputs, facilitate team sense-making of those outputs, and model transparency in your own AI use to normalize the experience.
Measure success with a nuanced framework. Beyond traditional delivery metrics, track human capital growth, such as AI literacy and team confidence, as well as ethical and trust indicators.
Chapter 4 focuses on lifelong learning. In this era, building teams where curiosity serves as a competitive advantage is essential for long-term project success.
Why prioritize lifelong learning? Skills evolve rapidly due to AI.
Institutionalizing learning improves innovation capacity and significantly boosts employee retention. Building a learning architecture requires deliberate design. Follow a flywheel model. Create pathways, enable access to tools, embed learning into projects, and publicly celebrate growth.
AI literacy is a core competency. PMs need 3 levels: conceptual understanding, strategic application, and operational oversight. Build this through structured exposure, not just ad hoc training.
To integrate learning, dedicate weekly time blocks, run team-focused learning sprints, and cultivate a personal board of advisors to sharpen your perspective. Foster a team learning culture by sharing your own journey, celebrating curiosity in others, and ensuring that mistakes are treated as data for collective improvement.
Chapter 5 covers trust and transparency, the essential cultural foundation for effective AI-driven project management.
Trust is your most important currency. People trust leaders who use AI with integrity. You must build trust in the person, the process, and the outcomes. Transparency is an imperative. Be explicit about AI use. Explain the logic behind AI-influenced recommendations, invite scrutiny, and be honest about the trade-offs and limitations. Effective governance makes trust operational. Ensure that AI project tools are consistently held to human standards of accountability. Address the fear beneath the surface. Create psychological safety by acknowledging concerns, involving the team in adoption plans, and guaranteeing reskilling before automation. Finally, lead transparently through decisions. Explain the AI's role, emphasize human accountability, and keep an open door for questions to maintain team credibility. Welcome to Chapter 6, Strategic AI Integration. In this section, we'll move from vision to execution, mapping out how to build a robust AI roadmap for your project organization. AI strategy is fundamentally a delivery transformation initiative, not just an IT project. Effective project managers prioritize desired outcomes first, then work backwards to select the technology that will best support them. Not every task requires AI. Strategically identify where it generates the most impact, starting with quick wins like automated reporting to build team confidence before tackling complex, predictive risk management. The journey from pilot to scale is where many transformations stall. Success requires a structured process. Explore the problem, pilot a minimal solution, validate the impact, scale across the portfolio, and continuously optimize. AI integration succeeds with committed leadership. Program managers must set the vision. Technical PMs bridge the gap between tools and requirements, while delivery and governance leads manage cultural change and ethical compliance. Aspiring leaders, you can build your brand today. Volunteer for AI-adjacent initiatives, develop your own point of view on AI in your industry, and actively grow your network with other innovators. Transformation starts with a 90-day plan. Spend the first 30 days building a foundation, the next 30 days activating your pilot, and the final 30 days building momentum by sharing your vision and strategy with stakeholders. To recap, treat AI as a collaborator, sharpen your human skills, design teams for augmentation, embrace continuous learning, and lead with unwavering trust and transparency to ensure project success. The future belongs to human AI project managers. The most successful projects will be guided by leaders who combine advanced technology with intentional, ethical, and visionary management. That leader can be you.